A comprehensive guide to growing bee balm. Bee balm, scientifically known as Monarda, is a stunning flowering herb that not only adds a vibrant splash of color to gardens but also attracts pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. With its showy flowers, aromatic foliage, and versatility in garden design, bee balm is highly valued for its ornamental appeal and beneficial impact on pollinator populations. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of successfully growing bee balm. From selecting the right varieties to caring for the plants and enjoying their beautiful blooms. Choosing bee balm varieties. Bee balm comes in several species and cultivars, offering a range of flower colors including shades of red, pink, purple, and white. Some popular varieties include Monarda didyma, scarlet bee balm, Monarda fistulosa, wild bergamot, and Monarda citriodora, lemon bee balm. Consider the height, flower color, and growth habit when selecting the bee balm varieties that best suit your garden. Selecting the planting location. Bee balm thrives in full sun to partial shade. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day for optimal growth and flowering. The soil should be well-draining and fertile. Bee balm prefers loamy soil, but can tolerate various soil types. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0. Planting bee balm. Follow these steps to plant bee balm. Soil preparation. Prior to planting, prepare the soil by removing weeds, rocks, and debris. Work in organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve soil fertility and drainage. Seed starting or transplanting. Bee balm can be grown from seeds or transplanted as young plants. If starting from seeds, sow them indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost date or sow them directly in the garden after the last frost. Lightly cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. Keep the soil consistently moist and maintain a temperature of around 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius for germination. For transplanting, dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and place the plant in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with or slightly above the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the root ball. Water thoroughly after planting. Watering and moisture requirements. Bee balm prefers moderate moisture levels. Water the plants regularly, aiming to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. During dry spells, increase the frequency of watering to prevent the plants from drying out. Mulching around the base of the plants with organic material can help retain soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Providing proper care. To ensure healthy growth and abundant blooms, follow these care guidelines for bee balm. Fertilization. Bee balm generally does not require heavy fertilization. Prior to planting, incorporate organic matter into the soil to provide essential nutrients. If additional fertilization is needed, apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Avoid excessive nitrogen, as it can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent flowers by cutting them back to the nearest set of healthy leaves. Deadheading encourages continuous blooming and prevents the plants from going to seed prematurely. It also helps maintain a tidy appearance. Division. Over time, bee balm may become crowded. Divide the plants every 2 to 3 years in early spring or fall to rejuvenate them and prevent overcrowding. Dig up the clumps and gently separate them into smaller sections, ensuring each division has a portion of the root system intact. Replant the divisions in well-prepared soil and water thoroughly. Support. Depending on the variety and height, some bee balm plants may require support to prevent them from flopping over. Insert stakes or use plant supports early in the growing season to provide stability and prevent bending or breaking. Managing pests and diseases. Bee balm is generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, it may occasionally attract aphids, spider mites, or suffer from powdery mildew. Monitor your plants regularly and take appropriate measures, such as using organic pest control methods or applying fungicides if necessary. Good garden hygiene, including removing fallen plant debris, can help prevent disease issues. Enjoying bee balm blooms. Bee balm produces showy flowers in attractive clusters, creating a visual spectacle in the garden. The blooms attract a wide variety of pollinators, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden and supporting local ecosystems. Enjoy the vibrant colors and delightful fragrance of bee balm in your garden, and consider using the flowers in floral arrangements to bring their beauty indoors. Growing bee balm is a rewarding and visually captivating endeavor that brings vibrant colors and pollinator activity to gardens and landscapes. By following the step-by-step instructions provided in this comprehensive guide, you can successfully cultivate bee balm plants and enjoy their beautiful blooms.